Hi there, I'm Chaz. I'm a commercial photographer and the founder of the Plastic Goldfish Company, and I'm proud to be a B4 connector. Collaboration is key for me within my business and what I do, and being a B4 collaborator is really important for me to be able to connect and chat with people and new people coming into the community, and hopefully build some good business relationships, as well as obviously introducing them to other people within the network and making sure they're at home and enjoying the experience that B4 offers.